People in Tripura seem to have fully used their franchise as voter turnout was recorded at 81.10 at the end of the day, as reported by the Election Commission. 259 candidates stood for the elections for 60 assembly seats. According to the Election Commission, more than 28.14 lakh people cast their votes this year, out of which 14,15,233 are men, 13,39,289 are women, and 62 belong to the third gender. There were 94,815 voters in the 18 to 19 age group, 6,21,505 voters belonging to the 22 to 29 age group, and the highest number of voters, 9,81,089, belong to the 40 to 59 age group. Polling took place at 3,337 polling stations. Congress CPM fought in an alliance. Trinamool Congress also declared their candidates for 60 seats and BJP declared candidates for 55 seats, leaving 5 for its ally, the Indigenous People's Front of Tripura. The Election Commission made adequate arrangements to ensure that the polls are conducted in a free and fair manner and that no violence erupts at any of the polling booths. Tripura was the first state to go to the polls this year. Elections in Nagaland and Meghalaya will take place on February 27. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had urged the citizens of Tripura to cast their votes in large numbers. The stalwarts of the BJP undertook whirlwind campaigns in Tripura with an aim to seek re-election.